Yo, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to solve this cube for 10,000 times. This is only the first one I have. Dude, how many does I left? Oh, 9,999 more left. And one more thing, I am not just solving it for 10,000 times, I am also unsolving it for 10,000 times. Oh man, can't we just do 1,000? No, you have to do all 10,000. Can't we just fake this video, man? You are not allowed to do this. Oh fuck, this was allowed. I'm going to fake this video. Dude, you are on camera. What? You are saying that the camera is on. Yeah, duh. Hey, what's up guys? So, I was just kidding. Don't trust any of my this word. Hey, please delete the video. So, what was I talking about? Please. I am going to solve this cube for, please, 10,000. I am going to kill you. Times.
And if you want to know that how I am counting it, so this is my PC and it has a tab open, and whenever I press this space button it will count like this video.
Solve this cube and I will give you 100 bucks. And your time is only 3 minutes. Solve this cube and I will give you 100 bucks. Solve this cube and I will give you 100 bucks. Solve this cube and I will give you 100 bucks. Solve this cube and I'll give you 100 bucks. Okay, so this will be a hard thing. I am going to solve this cube while looking at the mirror. This is going to be insane. Solve this cube and I will give you 100 bucks. Yeah, okay, I am on it. Yup, there you go. Now give me my 100 bucks. So while solving this cube, I am just wondering, what is the world record for solving this cube? Let me search on Google. 4.22 seconds. Let me beat this record. Okay, I can beat this record. Okay. Oh man! Yes, I beat this record. I solved this cube in only 1 second. Man, I am so much proud of me. I am proud of me.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself. lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nights.
So at least it is done now. I saw this queue for 10,000 times. It took me 9 whole days. I mean, it took me like, how many hours does 9 days have? I forget this. I mean, it took me like 18 days or something to solve this queue. Man, this was so much hard. But anyway, I saw this thing for 10,000 times. Subscribe to make me more uncomfortable.